This is the gray. Also goes with the same outfit. And the good thing about Tucci Di Lusso belt is that it comes with two buckles, the gold buckle and the silver buckle. So you can always change if you want to wear the gold buckle or you want to switch to the silver buckle. This is the gray. See, it matches the same outfit. Nice. Elegant. Fit perfectly. Durable. Made with one of the best leathers. And can last a long time for the wearer. That's the good thing about Tucci Di Lusso belt. The craftsmanship is top notch. And it's hose free. That's the good thing. Tucci Di Lusso belt is hose free. So it doesn't require a pin hole like the old traditional belt. This is modern. And see how it is. Tucci Di Lusso belt. The best.